I'm going to show you how you can take simple things like aluminum foil, cork, yarn, and even cardboard or a jar lid and make something really cute for your Christmas tree. So this is a lollipop made with cardboard, yarn, and a coffee stirrer. This was a tape dispenser that is now an ornament that has a crisscross design on one side and a straight design on the other. So when it turns around, it's a lot different. And you just put a little ribbon on the top. This is a cork with those balls of yarn that were made by wrapping the aluminum foil with yarn so that you don't have to use a lot of aluminum foil or a lot of yarn to create this. So that one is there. This is a Christmas tree made out of cork that you slice and add color, and you could even put your initials or someone else's initials. I showed you this in a previous video. You can use glass gems to create a Christmas tree on a trading card protector. These are really good because when you turn them over, you can see the other side. If you want, you can actually decorate this side. So it can be easily reversed. You can cut out the edges and just put a ribbon on it. This is a snowman out of cork and a little bit of red ribbon. And you can also use these sheet protectors to put a photo in and hang them from your tree. So I hope you like these crafts. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafts. Thanks for watching.